Wake up, commute, work, eat, sleep, repeat. The 9-5 rat race is a trap, and most people spend their entire lives running in circles, never truly living. But let me ask you something. What if you could escape? What if your income didn't depend on how many hours you worked? What if you had the freedom to do what you love whenever you wanted? Today, I'll show you the exact blueprint to escape the 9-5 rat race and achieve financial freedom. And trust me, it's not what they teach you in school. Stay till the end because I'll reveal the biggest mistake that keeps people trapped forever, and you don't want to fall into that. Let's begin. The rat race is designed to keep you trapped, and here's how it works. Problem number one, you trade time for money. When you work a job, you get paid for the hours you work. No work, no pay. But here's the problem. Your time is limited. You can only work so many hours in a day, which means your income is limited too. Unless you're planning to work 24/7 like a robot, but even robots need charging. Problem number two, lifestyle inflation. Every time you get a raise, you upgrade your lifestyle. New car, new phone, new expenses. And guess what? Your bank balance stays the same. But the biggest scam? The idea of working hard and saving for retirement. Here's why that doesn't work. All right, so now that we know the problem, what's the solution? Here's the 4-step blueprint to escape the rat race. Step 1, increase your income, but not how you think. Most people think the answer is to get a better job. Wrong. You don't need a better job. You need multiple income sources. Start a side hustle, freelancing, content creation, consulting. Learn a high-income skill, coding, sales, digital marketing. Build digital assets. YouTube, blogs, online courses. And no, watching Netflix doesn't count as a side hustle unless you own Netflix stocks. Ask yourself, if you lost your job today, how would you make money? If you don't have an answer, you need a plan B. Step 2, invest like the rich. Rich people don't work for money. Their money works for them. Their simple chart explaining assets versus liabilities. Invest in stocks, index funds, Nifty 50, Sensex. Buy real estate, rental income, passive money. Start or invest in businesses, even a small one. The key? Don't just save, invest, because your savings are losing value every year due to inflation. But where do you get money to invest? That's where the next step comes in. At step 3, cut financial traps. Most people fail because they stay stuck in a debt cycle. Expensive EMIs, cars, phones, things that don't make money, credit card debt, living beyond your means, buying things you don't need, designer brands, expensive gadgets. If you're broke but wearing a 10,000 sneaker, congratulations, you just bought a liability in style. Instead, invest in freedom. But even if you do all this, you'll still be stuck if you miss the next step. Step 4, build a freedom fund. You need a 6 to 12 month savings cushion. This is your escape money. High interest savings account, low risk mutual funds, emergency funds separate from investments. This gives you the power to quit a toxic job and start building real wealth. But here's why most people still fail. Most people never escape the rat race because they wait too long. They plan, they overthink, they hesitate. It's like watching gym videos and never actually going to the gym. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to start. Pick one income source. Start investing small, cut one unnecessary expense, because the longer you wait, the harder it gets. So are you ready to take control of your life? Now you know how to escape the rat race, but there's one problem left: time. If you don't manage your time, you'll never build wealth. But don't worry, I've got you. Watch my next video on how to manage your time. I'll show you exactly how to free up your schedule to build wealth faster.